Hello everyone, my name is Isha Kashyap and this is my final project for codeinplace by Stanford. I've made a simple face detection program in Python which detects faces in an image. This is a machine learning approach with OpenCV. OpenCV already contains many pre-trained classifiers for face, eyes, smile and more. This program uses face classifier. This detection works only on grayscale. So first we have to convert color image to grayscale. Detect multi-scale function is used to detect faces and it takes three arguments: input image, scale factor, minimum neighbor. Scale factors specify how much the image size is reduced with each scale. Minimum neighbor specify how many neighbors each candidate rectangle should have to retain. Faces contains a list of coordinates for rectangle region where the faces are found. On running this program, we can see on this image, the faces detected are marked with rectangle. Thank you very much. And I thank Stanford for giving this wonderful opportunity called Code in Place to all of us to learn and grow. Thank you very much.